How to tag people in Instagram. So if you want to tag people in your Instagram post, then first of all open up your Instagram application and make sure to log into your account. And after opening your Instagram, now you can simply go for the bottom middle, which has that plus icon or the create icon. And here you can simply go for post and then simply choose a photo. And after choosing a post, now what you can do is simply go for next, which is on the upper right. And then you can edit that post by simply adding some filters to it. And if you want to add music, then here on the upper middle side, you will have music option. Simply go for that music icon and then you can add music. And after editing your post, now you can go for next, which is on the upper right. And now here you will have an option of tag people. Simply tap on tag people. So here you can simply go and search for anyone that you would like to tag. And after searching here, you can simply have this person, right? So you can simply tap on that person's account and that person will be added to the post. And you can adjust this wherever you like. And then you can simply tap on the tick, which is on the upper right. Now you can go for share, which is on the bottom. And if you want to share this to your Facebook also, then tap on automatically share to Facebook. Or if you want to share it to only your Instagram, then you can go for share to Instagram only. And that's it. That's how you tag people in Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.